What we're going to look at today is a sunny day. I'm going to talk a little bit about Hurricane Dorian too in just a minute. But we're going to have a sunny day today, and then for the most part, clouds will be on the way out here through at least the next 48 hours. We may see some clouds moving back in late in the day tomorrow, though. So the hope is clouds stay away for people that want to see the northern lights across northern Michigan here this weekend. Right now, 60s, though, as the temperatures were in the mid-60s. And we're going to see a sunny day with high temperatures around the upper 70s today. We had a cold front move through last night and a few thunderstorms, a couple of which turned severe around Washtenaw County at about 11:30 last night. But right now it's quiet and all the rain is gone, and we're going to see temperatures a little bit cooler than they were yesterday. Right now it's in the mid-60s, 63 degrees in Pontiac, 61 in Ann Arbor, but today is going to be mostly sunny, 73 degrees by noon, and then highs will be around 78. The wind also will be a little lighter today. It's been kind of breezy the last couple of days, so today the wind relaxes a bit. It's going to be really comfortable. Nice afternoon to kick off Labor Day weekend. Highs in the upper 70s in Warren and Troy around 79. Tonight lows around 58 with decreasing clouds overnight. By the way, the northern lights, best chance is going to be tomorrow night, and it might even be a better chance Sunday night into Monday morning, hoping the clouds stay away for you. Temperatures through this weekend are going to be in the 70s through Saturday and Sunday around Detroit and Traverse City. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s Saturday and Sunday. Chance of showers on Sunday, though, and we have a chance of showers here at home as well for Sunday. So it looks dry today, tonight. Dry weather tomorrow, mostly sunny. More clouds move in, though, late in the day and into tomorrow night. Highs around 75 tomorrow. By Sunday, we'll have highs around 76 degrees with a 30% chance of showers. Labor Day looks dry, a little warmer, high of 80. And then next week, Tuesday, slight chance of rain and a few thunderstorms, a little bit warmer with highs back to the 80s. Overall, next week, weather looks great, too. The temperature's pretty close to average.